Hello friends, my name is Hareshwar. Welcome back. Today we will discuss how can we use COUNTIF function in R. COUNTIF is a function that does count the certain value in a cell in Excel if it satisfies certain logical functions. Um, but how can we do it in R? So in R we can do it by a proper combination of length and which command. Length command simply gives us the number of observation in a vector, and which command gives us which is the value equals to a certain logical command. So we just take an example. Here is a file I'm having, Y file. It simply gives me the values at 5 minute interval for a 3 year period of the Nifty index of India, spot prices and futures prices. So I'm just taking spot prices out of it in log value. Uh, so now we are having a new file Y11 that gives me, here we can see here, it gives me all the returns for 55,115 values of returns. Also, sometimes we need to know how many of these intervals, those are the intervals, those are having only zero returns, like there is no change in prices, which is very much required for some models uh, in literature. So how to do that? So here we can simply give a command which of this vector equals 0. It gives me a relative position like of this number of value is having zero value. So totally I'm having here 273 4 5 6 7. uh, 277 values are there, those are having zero and their positions are also mentioned in this vector. But I don't want to the position, I don't want to know the position, I simply want to know how many of them, what is the length of that. So I'm just giving command length. I can give the command length, which gives me 277 points are there in our data set. In returns, those are having zero returns, means there is no price change at all. So I can give this variable name here, zero return. So I'm having a variable here also. Simply, I can give other commands like what are the returns, those are equals to zero, or I can say simply not equal to zero. Here I am getting here, we can see 54,838 values, those are having not zero, where returns are not zero. Simply greater than zero, less than zero, greater than equal to, and it is zero. It could be anything, it could be 1, it could be 1%, it could be 5%, it could be 3%. For your example, any logical value you can put here. So it simply saves a lot of time. This is a manipulation we can do in Excel, but here we are having 55,000. It could be 5 lakh, 5 million observation as well, like per second observation for 3 years. In that situation, this data manipulation is very much required. This is the data extraction technique. So this is a way we can use COUNTIF function in our studio using length and which function. Thanks a lot, friend, for watching. Keep watching.